Hi again, everyone. Have you ever watched Batman 2022 movie?
Me!
No, not you, Robin. Adults only. Here's the official Batmobile Lego set. The Gotham's Predator. Built to slap the villains and never skipped vengeance. But compared to the real one from the movie, I think it's time to make our own version. More handsome, more Batman. Want to get the CSV part list and PDF instructions for my selected build? Come join my channel membership or become a supporter on my Patreon and get other awesome benefits too, folks. Last, don't forget to check out my other creation. Without further ado, let's build. Special thanks to channel members and Patreon supporters. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.